And the Cam Sports TV on YouTube. I go the home semi and Saka and I did Bremo as usual. Chelsea a boy against Flamingo. Was the Lincoln Financial Field. Ɛhɔ and a big game, the second group game a bar so in that group between Chelsea and Flamingo. It's me bar so now. No credit say in Subo or see a bow unka se pete pete so. Don't forget say I and the Cam Sports TV. Sabre ohe video no now subscribe to the channel no now share video no be so etimi ahwebi amabibia so etimi akoyi the amount enso ewo ho. Game wey a game a enya ma so kra no na Flamingo for fans. Eye lineup na omo ye omo lineup na omo wie no. Na Chelsea 3 players pe na na ewum nti omo ma Flamingo 8 and omoma Chelsea 3 players. No more real no more say. Omo player of free Uruguay friend Giorgio de Arrascaeta. Onim boche kupama na so ena omo de so kupama so na England obobo. Iti na ofa baby omo ye kupama. Nti na tournament ni nya nhyase ena Flamingo fans. Original say that is the argument they are putting on board. Na yedim say kasakwa. The reality is that the European platform is huge. The European competition is huge. But once again, you cannot continue to disregard the quality of the Brazilian league, the quality of the Copa Libertadores. Now, omo ba competition no. South America teams naturally say omo mode bo na omo bo in South American enye flick. Say offer Botafogo and omo share the UEFA Champions League champions in PSG. And Chelsea a Conference League champions. Team a your friend Flamingo and so share the Conference League champions. The catch on say enya de say e was ototo omo si akan was America the Copa Libertadores no e was ototo o mase yehu the team a friend Palmeiras and so in this particular competition. Now and the game no etimi ekọ so enwumre no nsia ya e the Lincoln Financial Field. E ho na Chelsea and Flamingo e di ebo. Now as usual two coaches no Flamingo a coach or a former Chelsea player Sanso ena Enzo Maresca coach Chelsea no obi had in the first 11 no etimi etu edwa ho nti o Chelsea Abrante friend Robert Sanchez ena da podium ena obo Malo Gusto all right ena obo Chaluba ene Abrante friend Levi Colwell ena obo Marc Cucurella ewo left back and midfield na obo Reece James ena obo Moise Caicedo Enzo Fernandez or the Kopama right and on the Pedro Neto bar left and on the Liam Delap and on the first start and a branch and a ball as a number 9. Now, so oh share the camp of Flamingo and Swan. Coach I found Felipe Luis and the goalkeeper Rosel and a two pony and our ball Wesley Franca or ball Arten Lucas and our ball Leo Pereira and our branch I found Danilo, formerly of Juventus and our ball branch I found Jorginho Edson Polga and our boy Jason, and our boy Giorgio de Arrascaeta, our boy Luis Araujo, and our boy Gonzalo Plata as number 9, or born as false 9 in a 4-2-3-1. It is structurally now who said two teams in our structure air play. But the Chelsea team look a bit confusing on the field of play because sometimes as a move back, sometimes as a move 4 back. Now the tactical switch is in the team. Now, you share game on Arsenal na a Flamingo all over the place. We had their range of passing, their movement, their positional sense. That omuna a dominating play no. And a ball be bar between Leo Pereira, any Abrante friend Wesley Franca and Wesley Quateshe. Na ball ne koto Pedro Neto and many Pedro Neto and fan agro pick a ball no and our brane ya and to omu chase no manche no and our ball no eating a say in the 13th minute. Some will be a can say this is a tournament for Pedro Neto. Na ono die or Chelsea the position or Chelsea team no or cementi because Nono Maduke on and off. Estevai William will come and the competition will be huge. Jimmy Gaitens probably will join. The competition will be huge. And Abrante and the ball no etimi ekoto atem said the SN said the fata. The game near so I say of course still not Chelsea in the game in BBB. A lot of fans receive concern say Moise Caicedo that the performance and yet. But so she can say that tactically, Nejuma na almost so on say on play Giorgio de Arrascaeta out, and he did that job to perfection. Georgia de Alaskete and who game so in the first half, in the second half, when Timmy and who game and so Emma Flamingo e wo musa na omo bo game no but no omo duro anim ho a ekwan na omo befa so atika no eno ne adwuma na den ma omo until Bruno Henrique enso etimi ba mu a 62nd minute obenya that equalizer no ema omo ewo ho enom header ne ba ya ball no koto anim a opia ball no de to atenam anche na abranti a efe ne Danilo enso de second goal kan in the 65th minute na afei yeah, bo game yeah, who dear yeah. Liam Delap in who games. I'll come back and talk about Liam Delap. And I did Nicola Jackson Bear. Nicola Jackson Bear moi. Wakwaku tia ubi na so. Ama waje red card. Sa red card now GB against Newcastle United. Was a red card bill in that particular game. Chelsea da fem a mo peso omochi omoka. Now we introduce a new striker ba. Or also by our babeje red card. And frame to Chelsea boy 10 against 11. And finally Abranti FN Wallace at the third goal count in the 83rd minute. Noni Maduki mo ebe mo ni Romeo Lavia be mo omo be kire omo be break akra but it was so late omo ntimi anya any consolation bi ho amane ntimi ankoyi ema game no end by 3-1. Enso hwewa o se ye hwe onye petepete so Flamingo 4 year Chelsea hu adwuma nkata ema hu say in all the department on the field of play omo ye Chelsea hu adwuma. Now let me single out 3 players. Our Chelsea team and let me talk about them. Kopama about 25 games. One year penalty one she go. 25 games without a penalty. Kopama and she go. But you to pass a playmaker. You man say, obe connect striker, obe bo pass ama striker no abobo na to them. But sometimes use go cinema. Unso team she be Emma team nikoyi. The fact of the matter is that apart from that brilliant performance for Kopama in the Conference League final of Poland, the Kopama has been off. And the game no more for 25 minutes, not more than 9 KB, until say free kick been a buy, Emma, Obie who's a game home. Cole has been off. And minim say fatigue go say and just one about first and I see a run it more. He's been off. Latter part of the season he was off. And in the championship, he's been off. The better Chelsea going for another player to compete with him because coach who say off no yes or then they call right so beat him the confidence level na Babaka. Unfortunately, it didn't work for Enzo Maresca and it didn't work for Kopama. Hardly do you see Chelsea mobile gamer na Kopama na no matter na film. And there he was a pale shadow of himself and the earlier be back it up to make sure Chelsea perform into my frano they're better. The next player Liam Delap. The first game of them excellent assists. And a coach man start for the second game. A pale shadow of himself. The reality is na supplies nenko, na connection nenko, na the final pass nenko. But men who ne runs, men who ne pressing. O Leo Pereira, ene Abrante Fene Danilo Holiday. Na pressure be any so na omobo. This is Chelsea. Already you ask your Chelsea fans, they say number 9 case no oba beto good. So oba beto number 9 case na good ya. This kind of performance you need to back up. Win the game, Obiabeka say they crucify and I they assassinate the arena. But I think if Chelsea will go places in the competition, their striker need to back up. Now, Nicola Jackson. Chelsea na entertaining Jackson ache. So any serious team would have shown him the exit and bring in a far better forward who will bang in the goals. The attitude on the field of play is very poor. The professionalism is questionable. And in crucial moment at Chelsea in Yaomwa, now I could red card. The same thing, Senka Chelsea, omo game on board Newcastle United, omo last game Sanko ya, nka ono, so mo ntimi anhye Nottingham Forest and qualify, nka Jackson na omo ntimi ammo for the UEFA Champions League. Nti I'm sorry, Jackson need to back up, and again, Enzo Maresca will also need to back up. Coach, the coach need to back up. The reality is that Enzo Maresca need to back up. He's too ordinary. He doesn't add so much to the Chelsea team. We don't see the differential tactics. No. He need to back up. And the tactical tweet and then the structure now is very poor. Oh, Romeo Lavia. Oh, Andre Santos. Now with James as a midfielder. For what reason? Jorginho ne Abrante your friend SM Poga. And they have 2 central figures. Edema Etima. Your friend Flamingo alongside Jason. Now the regimes are quite. No wonder say na just in football na no answer what they call. Nti in as much as I agree, it is pre-season, obey experiment, obey put certain pieces together. This is a competition that Chelsea fans want to see something. They want to see progress. They want to see the confidence back. And I'm sorry, the kind of football at Chelsea born, and even the first game was very poor, and Chelsea fans are not happy with Enzo Maresca and his child. It was a poor day, a bad day in office. But Yema Flamingo credit, omu materials, omu experience, and Felipe Luis is doing a decent job. I hire and the Ken Sports TV on YouTube. Don't forget, say, obehwe video no na wa share no bi ahwe bi. No asa subscribe. Na bibi etimi akoyi. Aha na mede mbesi and out.